Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our friends listening at home or on the bus or in the car. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
It is. We are always happy to chat with you. How are you doing today, Paul?
I am doing okay now, but my morning was a little crazy.
Oh, crazy? Why was it crazy?
I will tell you in a minute. But first, how are you, Emily?
I am great, thank you. I had a very nice breakfast, and I am ready to speak English.
That is perfect. I need your positive energy today.
You can have it. But before we hear your crazy story, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please remember to subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
And click the like button. It really helps us.
And share this episode with your friends. Maybe they want to learn English too.
Yes, please share it. Okay, Paul, I am very curious. Why was your morning crazy?
Well, it started well. I woke up early. I made a nice cup of coffee.
That sounds good. I love coffee in the morning.
Me too. It was hot and fresh. I was wearing my favorite white shirt.
Ooh, a white shirt. Very smart.
Yes, I was ready for work. I picked up my cup and then splash.
Oh, no.
Yes, my hand slipped. The coffee went everywhere.
Oh, Paul. On the floor?
On the floor, on the table, and on my white shirt.
No. Not the white shirt.
Yes, it was a disaster. A big brown stain right in the middle.
Oh, that is terrible. What did you do?
I looked at the clock. I was already late, so I ran to my bedroom.
To change your shirt?
Yes, I pulled off the wet shirt. I opened my wardrobe. I grabbed the first shirt I saw.
Was it a nice shirt?
It was okay. It was a blue shirt, but I did not have time to iron it.
Ah, so it was wrinkled?
Wrinkled? Emily, it was very wrinkled. It looked like a ball of paper.
Oh, dear.
I put it on fast. I looked in the mirror. I looked crazy.
Like you had a fight with your wardrobe?
Exactly. Like the wardrobe attacked me. But I had to go, so I ran to the bus.
Did people look at you?
I think so. I tried to cover the wrinkles with my jacket.
That is a good trick. So you arrived at work. Was everything okay then?
No, it was not okay.
Really? What happened next?
I arrived at the office building, but everyone was standing outside.
Outside? Why? Was it a fire drill?
No fire, just people standing on the sidewalk. My boss, my colleagues.
That is strange.
I asked my friend, "Why are we here?" And do you know what he said?
What did he say?
He said, "The door is locked."
Locked. But it's a work day.
Yes, usually Mark opens the office. He has the key.
Okay, where was Mark?
Mark was there. He was standing with us.
So, open the door, Mark.
That is the problem. Mark forgot the key.
Oh no, he forgot the key at home?
Yes, he left it on his kitchen table. So, 20 people were waiting outside.
Wow, poor Mark. Was he embarrassed?
He was very red. He looked at his shoes.
I can imagine. So it was a mystery at first? Who is the culprit?
Yes, we were all playing detective. Who forgot the key? Is it Sarah? Is it John?
And it was Mark.
It was Mark. We waited for 30 minutes for the manager to come with an extra key.
30 minutes standing on the street?
Yes, me in my wrinkled shirt and Mark with no key.
What a start to the day.
I know, but we laughed about it later. It is funny now.
It is funny. You know, Paul, this reminds me of a funny story at my work last week.
Oh? Did someone forget a key?
No, it was about food.
Food. I like food stories.
Well, my colleague, let's call her Lisa, she loves to bake.
Baking is nice. Cakes and cookies.
Yes, she brought a cake for the team, a beautiful lemon cake.
I love lemon cake.
It looked delicious. It was yellow and fluffy. We were all so excited.
I bet. A nice break from work.
Yes, we all took a big piece. We said, "Thank you, Lisa."
And? Was it good?
I took a big bite. And, oh my goodness.
What? Was it dry?
No, it was salty.
Salty? A salty lemon cake?
Very, very salty.
Why?
Lisa made a mistake. In her kitchen, the sugar jar and the salt jar look the same.
Oh no. She put salt instead of sugar?
Yes, cups and cups of salt.
That is terrible. It must taste awful.
It was shocking. Imagine expecting sweet sugar and getting salt.
Ugh, yuck. So, what did you do? Did you spit it out?
No, we didn't want to hurt Lisa's feelings. She was smiling. She was so happy.
Oh, that is a difficult situation.
Yes, so we all chewed very slowly.
And you swallowed it?
We swallowed it and we smiled, but our eyes were watering.
That is true friendship. Eating salty cake for a friend.
Exactly. Someone said, interesting flavor, Lisa.
Interesting is a good word when food is bad.
Yes. Later, Lisa tried a piece and she screamed.
She screamed?
She said, "Oh, it is salt. Don't eat it."
At least she found out.
Yes, we all laughed a lot. We drank a lot of water that afternoon.
I am sure. Salt makes you very thirsty.
It does. Mistakes happen. It is part of life.
It is, just like my shirt. And Mark's key.
Exactly. Speaking of funny mistakes, I had a funny moment this weekend.
Oh? What did you do this weekend?
I went to the supermarket, just the normal grocery shopping.
Okay, that sounds normal.
Yes, I walked in and I grabbed a shopping cart. You know, the trolley.
Yes, the cart for your food.
I started walking down the aisle, and the cart was not good.
Broken wheel?
Yes, one wheel was crazy. It made a huge noise.
Oh, I hate that. What kind of noise?
It was like squeak, 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 squeak.
That is annoying.
It was so loud. It sounded like I was driving a tractor inside the store.
A tractor in the supermarket?
Yes, I was in the fruit section. Squeak! Everyone looked at me.
They were staring?
Yes, people stopped shopping. They looked at me. I felt so small.
Why didn't you change the cart?
I was already far inside. I didn't want to walk back. I thought maybe it will stop.
Did it stop?
No, it got louder.
Oh, Emily.
I tried to push it softly. Squeak. I tried to push it fast. Squeak.
There is no escape.
No escape. I bought my milk and eggs very fast. I wanted to run away.
I can see it. Emily and her tractor.
It was funny after I left, but inside I was blushing.
These things happen to everyone. Last time I went shopping, I dropped a bag of apples.
Oh no.
Apples rolling everywhere. Under the shelves. Under other people's feet.
It is a classic mistake.
Yes, we are all clumsy sometimes.
True. So, Paul, after your crazy week, do you have plans for the next weekend?
Yes, I want to relax. No stress.
That is good.
I am trying to organize a barbecue with some friends.
Ooh, a barbecue. That is my favorite thing.
Yes. Good food, sunny weather, friends.
Who is coming?
Some friends from college, and my friend Dave.
Dave? Is he the one who is always late?
Yes, that is Dave.
Every group has one friend like that.
He's a great guy. He's very funny, but time is difficult for him.
So, when does the barbecue start?
I told everyone 1 p.m.
And when will Dave arrive?
Well, last time, we called him at 1:30 p.m. We said, "Dave, where are you?"
And what did he say?
He said, "Don't worry, I am leaving now. I will be there in 10 minutes."
10 minutes. Okay.
So we waited. We waited 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour.
1 hour. That is not 10 minutes.
No, he arrived 3 hours later.
3 hours. That is crazy.
Yes, by the time he arrived, the food was finished.
Oh no.
And the fire, the charcoal, it was just dust. It was cold.
So, no burger for Dave.
No burger. He had to eat potato chips.
Maybe he will learn his lesson this time.
I hope so. I told him the barbecue starts at 11 a.m.
Ah, a trick.
Yes. If I say 11, maybe he will arrive at 1.
That is very smart, Paul.
We have to be creative with friends.
Yes, we do. Well, I hope you have a great barbecue with no rain.
Thank you, and I hope you have a quiet weekend. No loud shopping carts.
Yes, I will walk to the store next time or carry a basket.
Good plan.
You know, Paul, talking about these bad days and funny mistakes makes me feel better.
Me too. It is good to laugh at ourselves.
Yes, life is not perfect. We spill coffee, we forget keys, we squeak in the supermarket.
And we eat salty cakes.
Yes, exactly. It is all part of the fun.
And it is great for learning English. Describing these stories helps you find new words.
That is very true. Telling a story is the best practice.
So, we are almost at the end of our episode today.
Aw, time flies when we are having fun.
It really does. But before we go, we have a question for you, our wonderful listeners.
Yes, we want to hear your stories.
Please leave a comment below. Tell us, what is a funny mistake you made recently?
Or tell us about a bad day that is funny now. Did you spill something? Did you forget something?
Don't be shy. We want to read them. Write in English. It is good practice.
Yes, and remember, mistakes are good. They are funny stories for later.
Exactly. And please, if you enjoyed this chat, subscribe to the channel.
And share it with your family and friends.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful, happy, and mistake-free week.
Or a funny week. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.